Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're introducing you guys another one of our customer builds. This is a 2019 Ram 3500. It is riding on the Carli Suspension Pintop leveling system, and it is also rolling on the CJC exclusive Raceline Avenger wheels in bronze. Now, if you bought a 3500 truck, you obviously need a tow heavy. So often we talk about suspension systems that ride better, but you do lose a little bit of towing capacity. This is not one of those systems. The Pintop leveling system utilizes front coils, 4 custom tuned shocks, and a track bar to get you the best ride as possible up front and also improve your ride in the rear while still offering your full towing capacity. Now, some people will ask, do these shocks in the rear lessen the capacity, anything like that? They absolutely do not. However, with the King shocks in the rear, you do actually experience a higher level of control even while towing. So for those of you who do even hot shotting, or building an RV specific rig, something like that, this system is an excellent option for you. Now, as I mentioned, the system comes with 2 soft ride Carli front coils. It is their own proprietary design, so there's not any public spring rates or anything like that, but these are some of the softest coils in the business, and it is paired up with 4 custom tuned King shocks. Now, these are not King shocks that you could just buy anywhere on the internet. They utilize Carli's own pistons, their own tuning, as well as they do have some upgrades to them. All Carli King shocks include stainless steel shock shafts, and also the last part of the puzzle is the Carli Suspension adjustable track bar. With that track bar, you're not only recentering the front axle thanks to its adjustability and its longer length than stock, you're also replacing 2 factory vulcanized joints that are often the culprit for poor or dull steering, as the bushings are deflecting as you're steering the truck, as well as just a common wear item. The Ram track bars for generations now have actually been a very common premature wear item. So you're knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone while also replacing the track bar. Now, as you can see, this truck turned out great. It is rolling again on the CJC exclusive bronze Raceline Avengers, and it is wrapped with 37 by 1250 Toyo MT tires. This is an excellent combination if you're looking to run 37-inch tires on one of these newer Rams with the least amount of trimming possible. Again, these CJC exclusive wheels, we worked with a couple manufacturers to get a 17-inch wheel in the highest back spacing possible in order to kind of prevent the amount of trimming that you need to do, because with a wider or a more offset wheel, you will need to do a lot more trimming at your fender well. Now, a lot of people comment, I can find these wheels in a lot of other sizes in these offsets. The 17s are kind of what make these wheels unique. That way, with a 17-inch wheel, you're getting as much rubber or as much sidewall as possible. So therefore, you're only further improving the ride of the truck. Now, as you can see, I think this truck turned out killer. We're really happy to just be able to feature another customer build to show you guys kind of what these setups look like out in the wild, instead of just looking at a picture of a spring and a shock on our webpage. We hope this might have answered questions for those of you who are looking to do a setup similar to this. If you have any questions, please comment down below, shoot us a call, send us an email, we'd be happy to help. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.